Hello and welcome. You join us for this match between New Zealand and Australia. I'm Adam Gilchrist, and with me for this match is Michael Atherton, Mel Jones, and the one and only their way out to a seismic crowd. They've waited all day for this match, and they're ready for some world-class batting and bowling. The pitch today, it looks good. A bit of grass on top, so they'll get their wish, I think. Perfectly timed. That's been smacked away. Fielders will not stop that one.
The gap was left open for them. And
gone. Great reflexes. In the air and cover takes an easy catch.
what a crucial breakthrough this is. Excellent bowling to get one.
Over the infield with a cracking shot.
Straight through the line of the ball.
Perfectly timed.
4 runs. They were so still at the crease. Just a slight movement forward.
Onto the front foot. Super shot. Should be 4.
Yeah, too wide. It was there to be hit.
Beats the cover fielder. Nice shot.
That was a lovely flowing drive through the...
Nothing really wrong with that ball. Got on.
Power and precision in that shot. 8 runs out of there. New Zealand, 50. Gone! Played all around that one. What a delivery.
A fluent innings undone by a decent delivery. A good wicket.
That's gone all the way and over for 6. Mitchell, classy square drive.
That was seen so early.
Out, fine leggers up, and it's an easy catch.
A great innings coming to an end. Brilliant scoring.
Beautiful timing there off the front foot. It's racing away. The fielder out in the deep has some sit. Caught first ball of the new over. What a disappointment. Oh, great work. Held their nerve while the ball was in the air, and they've taken a good catch.
As they head back to the pavilion, they'll be wishing they went about this innings a little...
And what a strike that is, right into the slot. Great timing and balance. It'll be a maximum. Nice shot, but straight back to the bowler. No run. Caught. That's a ridiculous catch. Gone. Catches win matches, and that was a beauty.
Starting to get interesting now. That's the 5th.
Oh my, that's racing away.
Well, that was a poor delivery. You can't bowl.
Straight through them. That was a lesson in leg spin bowling.
At long last, they have the wicket. Could so easily...
Onto the front foot. Super shot. Should be 4. Whacked away.
Doesn't even wait to see if the ball's going to do anything. Onto the front foot.
Oh my word, that is huge. Middle, that's a monster of a shot.
Well, enough leverage.
And out. Superb bowling.
They find themselves 7 wickets down. It's about...
Nice shot, straight back to the bowler. That's gone. Couldn't ask for an easier catch.
Well, this is a fantastic wicket. Kept the runs down, really... Hit that so hard.
That's gone. Nice simple catch. Cut away, but straight to point for the easy catch.
That's number 9 down. The bowling's been good so far.
Oh, that's a great shot early on, wide of cover, and that'll give him a bit of confidence early on. May pull up short of the bench. Beats the outside edge. Big edge, where's that going? Head over the ball, great shot, that's racing away.
What a lovely shot.
Oh yeah, loved it, launched. Got him, that's the one they wanted, full swinging and straight through.
The trudge back to the pavilion. A disappointing...
You can't fault the bowling. Sometimes you're...
Tries to flick it past backward square, but that'll be an easy catch. Oh, great work, held their nerve while the ball was in the air, and they've taken a good catch.
Got to their 50 without a lot of trouble. Well, you can't fault that shot. Nicely played.
What a superb delivery, too good. Just didn't know where it was going and knocked him over.
A long walk back to the pavilion. This has not been a good knock.
Edge, but it drops safely. Marsh staying put, but the opposition put in a huge appeal. Simple as you like, the batter didn't bother to look at more than one delivery in that over.
An innings that promised much and really in the end...
Cut away and through the gap. Lovely shot. Might be 4.
Got it all.
Keep them guessing. There'll be runs here. Gone. Great reflexes. Didn't time it at all and mid-on with an easy catch.
Starting to get interesting now. That's the 5th wicket. And a... Well, you sometimes just have to stop.
Onto the front foot. Super shot. Should be 4.
You just can't hit. It's flowing.
Their shots. Just need to tighten their areas now.
No need to run for that one. Gets onto the back.
Beautiful timing there off the front foot. It's racing away. The fielder out in the deep.
Point chasing that.
Straight drive, mid-off will cut that one off.
Well, what a lovely shot. It flew to the bound.
Great shot. Through the gap.
Errs on the side of bowling. Some adjustments to the field. That is a masterclass of...
Well, now that could be out. Out of the ground. That's a tremendous shot. Just smacks that away through the gap.
That was a boundary the moment the ball...
That's huge. That's a biggie. It is out of here. Absolutely smoked off the bat.
Just missed the line. Not the worst delivery, but that was dispatched.
Oh, now then, that's high in the air. Batters should get a few here. Across the stumps and a flick of the wrist. It's wide and square leg. Could be four.
Well, on either way, brilliant cricket from both sides. And it's a shame there had to be a loser.
Join us again real soon.